Once in a beautiful sunny day, there was a forest near the city. Near the forest, there was a big factory was leaving the most poisonous gases and smokes for the birds. The birds are going to the reproduction. The birds are breathing the gases and smokes. So when they go, all the birds are dying when they fly. And the birds don't have another way to go for reproduction. So the king parrot, says the solution to the other birds. Come on, let's see what the king parrot says.
Oh, my dear friends, we don't have another way to go for reproduction. All the birds are dying when they fly. If you have any solutions for this problem,
I have a solution, my lord. And the solution is we want to go fastly and put the stone into the gas pipe. Then the gas pipe's mechanism will stop. Then we can go to reproduction safely.
yeah, this idea is looking good. We can execute this idea tomorrow. Thank you.
Oh no, a factory's current circuit damaged the full continent's current circuit. Finally, we want to save the nature and nature gifts. Nature can destroy the humans and nature can destroy the earth. So, we want to reduce the pollutions, water pollution and air pollutions. Thank you.